Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now let us see question number 11. In the given figure, ABC is a triangle right angled at B. ABC is a triangle right angled at B. So ABC is a right angle triangle. D and E are points on BC, trisect it. D and E are 2 points on BC, they trisect BC. Trisect BC in the sense, D and E divide BC into 3 equal parts. For example, here if we take BD as X, then DE also X and EC is also X. So that here B to C, this distance will be 3 times X. So this is the meaning of trisection. Now we have to prove that 8AE square is equal to 3AC square plus 5AD square. Let us start solving this problem. First let us add the given data. Given ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degrees. And one more thing, D comma E are, these are points of trisection. Points of trisection on BC. Right. That means here we can say BD is equal to DE is equal to EC, each is X. So here let us consider this as 1. It may be helpful for the further problem. Now here to prove, here what's to be proved? 8 times AE square, 8 times AE square is equal to 3 times AC square plus 5 times AD square. Right. Now here let us start solving this problem. Here we can write to prove, so we should have proof. Here it is asked that AE square. So AE, this AE, let us involve with the angle B. So here you let ABE. To get this value of AE, we need to take triangle ABE. To get AC, we need to take triangle ABC. To get AD, means AD square, we need to take triangle ABD. That means here for each value we are going to involve angle B, that is 90 degrees. That means here we are going to divide this problem into 3 right angle triangles. First one, where AE square is there, that is triangle ABE, and where AC square is there, that is triangle ABC, and where AD square is there, that is triangle ABD. So let us apply Pythagoras theorem for these triangles to get these values. So here first let us consider AE. So we can take from triangle where AE is there, we can take it as ABE. From triangle ABE, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So here we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So let us write by Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square. So here let us draw AB, small AB for our convenience. This is ABE. Right, where angle B is 90, this is A, this is E, in which here you observe middle D is there. D is the midpoint of BE. As we know from the figure, BD is X, DE is also X, then BE will be 2X. the distance between B to E is 2x. Now here let us apply Pythagoras theorem. AE is the hypotenuse. We can write AE square is equal to AB square plus BE square. AB square plus BE square, because hypotenuse Pythagoras theorem says that the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So here we do not know AB square, let us write as it is, plus in place of BE I am going to write 2x. So BE square means 2x whole square. So this can be written as AB square plus 2 square is 4, x square is x square. So here AE square is equal to AB square plus 4x square. Let us consider this as equation number 2. Now we consider triangle AC is to be there. So we need to take triangle ABC. So here we can take from triangle ABC where angle B is equal to 90 degrees. So here let us draw triangle ABC. Here is A, here is angle B is 90 degrees, this is C. Now you see BC. Here x plus x plus x, earlier I have told you that is 3x. So let us take BC as 3x and apply Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Here BC value we have taken as 3x, let us substitute there. So this AC square will be AB square plus in place of BC if we write 3x. So BC square means 3x whole square. So it can be written as AB square plus 3 square is 9. This is x square. So AC square is equal to AB square plus 9x square. Let us consider this as equation number 3. Right. Now here you observe AE square is required, that is ready. AC square is required, that is also ready. Now we are in need of AD square. For this we need to take triangle ABD. So here from triangle ABD where angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Here angle B is 90, this is D, here is A, and BD is X as you know. So let us apply Pythagoras theorem here. Here we can write it as AD square is equal to AB square plus BD square. AB square plus BD square. AB square plus BD square. I am writing here a little bit clearly. AB square plus BD square. Right. Let us substitute here. AD square, let us write AD square is equal to AB square also we write as it is, plus in place of BD square I am writing BD means x, so it will be x square. Let us take it as equation number 1, 2, 3 over, this is fourth one. Right. Now let us consider either LHS or RHS. Here I am taking RHS because all the values are ready. AE square is ready, same way AC square is also ready, and AD square also ready. Now I am taking RHS, means 3 AC square plus 5 AD square. 3 AC square plus 5 AD square. So 3 into, here you see from equation 3 AC square is AB square plus 9x square. So I am writing AB square plus 9x square plus 5 times AD square. Here AD square is AB square plus x square. Here I have written these using equations 3 and 4. So here I am writing from 3 and 4. Here using third equation and fourth equation, I replaced AC square with AB square plus 9x square and AD square with AB square plus x square. So let us simplify this. 3 into AB square is 3AB square plus 3 9s are 27x square plus, here as place may not be sufficient, I am writing little bit forward here. I am writing from here, right? 3 into AB square, 3AB square plus 3 9s are 27x square plus 5 into AB square, 5AB square plus 5 into x square is 5x square. Now here let us add like terms. 3ab square plus 5ab square is 8ab square plus here like terms 27x square plus 5x square 32x square. 32x square. In these two 8 is common. If I take 8 common, then here we will get ab square, let us write, plus 8 4s are 32, so here 4x square. Clear? You just observe here you just observe that I am writing 8 as it is. ab square plus 4x square, ab square plus 4x square, nothing but ae square from equation 2. So we can write this as ae square, right? This is written using since from equation 2, right? So here this is what our LHS. This 8e square is nothing but LHS. So here if we take RHS, we got LHS. So we can write LHS equal to RHS. So here I am writing, therefore we have LHS is equal to RHS, right? Here you see what is LHS, 8ae square, 8 times ae square is equal to, right, 3 times ac square plus 5 times ad square. So here we can write hence proved. With this 11th problem gets completed.